So the prize this year is about the cellular systems that preserve the genetic information. So it turns out that the DNA molecule, which encodes the genetic information in our cells, that molecule is frequently damaged, and it might also be mutated. And that can be caused by both by external agents like sunlight, the UV radiation in sunlight, by smoking, different agents in smoking. But it could also be internal sources like reactions with water, which happens at a quite high frequency actually. We also get mutations in the DNA when we replicate the DNA. So every time a cell is divided, we need to create 2 new copies of the DNA. And together these different sort of sources of mutations and damage can create a real problem for our genomes and preservation of genetic material. And what these 3 prize laureates this year have done is that they have investigated and described in chemical detail important processes, repair pathways that can correct these mistakes when they arise. And it's there are 3 different areas of DNA repair that we've been focusing on. One is base excision repair, that take care of mutations or chemical damages, I should say, to bases, many of them spontaneous or hydrolytic. We also have the mismatch repair system, which takes care of the rare mistakes that the DNA polymerase leaves behind when it replicates the DNA. And then we have the nucleotide excision repair system, which takes care of, for example, UV-induced damage and other types of, for example, agents in smoking. So that's what this year's prize is about.